You just took over management of a rental in a condo. The owner is fine with pets, and you find a tenant who has a dog. The tenant moves in with their dog, pet applications filled out, pet addendums filled out, pet fee is paid, pet deposits paid. Everyone's happy, except for the association. Turns out the association does not allow tenants to have pets, but you didn't know this. My name is Harry Heist. I'm the founding partner of Heist, Weisse Wolk, the property manager's partner. The property manager, when dealing in an association, must know the rules and regulations of that association. Often, those rules and regulations apply differently to tenant-occupied units versus owner-occupied units. They could range from rules regarding pets, occupants, vehicles, such as trucks, commercial vehicles, motorcycles. You need to know these rules and regulations, and you cannot trust the owner to give you up-to-date information as it pertains to those rules and regulations. Often a rule and regulation is changed. The association just met 6 months ago, made a change to the rules and regulations, sent out notice to everyone. Most of the unit owners never even voted on the change. And now the change is in effect. The owner doesn't know about it, you don't know about it, and now you put a tenant in the unit where it violates the rules and regulations. Now you've got a problem because the association wants your tenant out. You need to know these rules, know these regulations, and follow them. A very important item to really understand is the application process that may be required of an association. If the association requires an application process independently of your application process, make sure you follow that and make sure you get approval before you ever put a tenant into that unit. Sometimes owners will get frustrated with the amount of time that it takes the associations to process the application. Maybe the association is intentionally delaying the processing of the application because they don't want your tenant in there. You need to make sure that you never put a tenant into an association unit where there's not a written approval yet. There also could be rules on how many rentals can occur in the course of a year. Some associations recently are instituting rules that state only one rental per year. Now, you might think that, well, that's fine. That means that they only allow annual rentals. But what about this? You put a tenant in, the tenant's in there for 3 months, the tenant packs up and leaves, or the tenant gets evicted. Now, you think that you could find another tenant and put that tenant in, only to find out that the association only allows one rental per year. As you could see, association rules and regulations could cause you a problem. The key is to know what they are and find out what they are from the association itself. Create a checklist for yourself, ask these questions before you ever put a tenant in. If you're unsure about something, do not assume that it's okay with the association. If you find out that it's not okay after you put the tenant in, that association can cause serious problems for you and the unit owner. If you have any questions regarding this topic or any other topics, please feel free to email us at info@evict.com.